This is question 7 from the Algebra 1 Subpart 1 practice test without using a calculator. It states 2 of Mr. Evans' Earth Science classes have 23 students each. Box plots for recent test scores for these 2 classes are displayed. You are looking for a statement that is true about both of these box plots. So the first thing, let's go ahead and review what it means to be, or the data, how it's represented on a box plot. So you have the 5-number summary. It is the mean, the lower quartile, the median, the upper quartile, and the max. Now, the most important thing that you need to realize is that 23 students happen to be in each class. So the box plot takes those 23 students and breaks it up into 25% chunks. So every time you see a portion of the box plot, it is representing 25% of the data. Now, the lower quartile is also called quartile 1, the upper quartile is called quartile 3, and the median is right in the middle. Notice that nothing about the mean is reported on a box plot. So now let's look at each statement and figure out which statement is true. It states, A, the means of the 2 sets of data are equal. Well, remember, a box plot tells you nothing about the means. So here is the median, here is the median. The medians are equal, but not the means. But it does not say medians, it states means. That is an incorrect statement. B states the lower quartiles of the 2 sets of data are the same. So remember, a lower quartile is this guy right here. So here's this one. Here is this one. This quartile is between 65 and 70, and this one is 70 and 75. Clearly, they are not the same, so that one is false. C says more students in 3rd period than 5th period scored an 87 or above. So let's look at 3rd period. Here is 87 and above. That's 25% of the data. Here is 87 and above. That is 25% of the data. So more students in 3rd than 5th scored an 87 above. That is false. The same number of students. Well, we've eliminated everything but D, so hopefully D will be the correct answer. It says the number of students in the 3rd period who scored from 73 to 79. So here is 73 to 79, right there, equaled the number of students in 5th period who scored 68 to 79. So here is 68 to 79. Now remember, each of these pieces represent 25% of the data. It does not mean this one's longer, so they have more. So if it's 25% of 23 students in the class, that is the same. So they do equal each other. Therefore, D is the correct answer.